Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and testing out this 6W solar fountain pump, a powerful and eco-friendly way to create beautiful water features in your garden, bird bath, or pond. Let's see what's inside, how easy it is to set up, and if it lives up to its promises. The first thing we have is a solar panel. Unlike traditional plastic panels, this one is made up of 100% glass with grade A+ solar cells, meaning it's more durable, has better light absorption, and ensures a stronger and more stable water spray. Next, we have the solar powered pump itself. It's compact yet powerful, and it features a built-in water shortage sensing device. So if the water level gets too low, the pump automatically shuts off to protect itself. Also included, 5 different nozzles for customizable spray patterns, a 4-foot water pipe for DIY features like waterfalls or irrigation, 2 filter sponges to help block dirt and debris, keeping the pump clean and extending its lifespan, a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket allowing you to position the solar panel for the best sun exposure. Setting this up is super easy. First, place the pump in the desired location. It can be fully submerged or floating on the water surface. Next, connect your chosen nozzle or attach the water pipe if you are creating a waterfall or stream, or a higher jet. The included 4-foot water pipe makes it easy to create unique water features beyond just a fountain. The automatic shutoff feature works as expected when the water runs low, preventing damage to the pump. No tools, no wiring, just sunlight and water. Now take the solar panel and adjust the mounting bracket for the best sun exposure. You can either insert it into the ground or mount it on a wall. Make sure it faces direct sunlight for optimal performance. Within seconds, you should see the water start flowing. Now for the fun part. Let's see how it performs. Thanks to the high-efficiency solar glass panel, the spray is strong, consistent, and long-lasting. The 5 different spray patterns allow for great customization, whether you want a gentle flow or a high jet. And eco-friendly, with plenty of customization options for different water features. Plus, the built-in safety features and easy setup make it a hassle-free choice. Overall, this 6W solar fountain pump is a fantastic addition to any garden. It's powerful, durable, and eco-friendly with plenty of customization options. If you're looking to enhance your outdoor space with a solar-powered water feature, this is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how do you use this solar pump in your garden. See you next time.